Hello and welcome. Our topic for today is simplifying square and cube root expressions. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions given to us. The first one says simplify 3bn cube root of 375b4n cubed plus 6bn cube root of 24b4n cubed. First we'll simplify the terms inside the the cube root sign. So we'll find out the factors of 375 first. 375 can be divided by 3, goes into 125 times. 125 divided by 5 is 25, and 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. For 24, we can factorize this as 24 divided by 2 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3bn will remain outside. Cube root of 375 can be written as 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. B4 can be written as b cubed times b, while n cubed as it is, plus 6bn cube root of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, b cubed times b times n cubed. Now this is the cube root, so we'll make a group of 3 terms inside the radical, that is 3bn multiplied by 5. B cubed comes out as b, while n cubed comes out as n. Inside the cube root we have 3b. We have 3 and b left. Similarly, 6bn, here we combine the 3 2's, b cubed as b, while n cubed as n. Inside we're left with 3 and a b. So we'll multiply these terms outside the cube root. 3 times 5 is 15. B times b is a b squared. N times n is a n squared. Cube root of 3b plus 6 times 2 is 12. B times b is b squared. N times n is n squared. N squared. Cube root of 3b. We missed out on the 3 over here. Now we have the same term inside the cube root sign, that is, these two terms can be added. 15b squared n squared plus 12b squared n squared times cube root of 3b. These both are like terms. 15 plus 12 is a 27. B squared n squared cube root of 3b is the final answer. Let's move on to the next question. Simplify negative 3c cubed cube root of 3c7 plus c squared cube root of 375 c10. So here 3 cannot be factored further. Here we have 375, so we'll factor 375, can be divided by, let's see, 3, that goes into 125 times. This can be divided by 5, like this. So negative 3c cubed cube root of 3 c to the power of 7 can be written as c cubed times c cubed times c plus c squared cube root of 375 is 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. C to the power of 10 can be written as c cubed times c cubed times c cubed times c. So now we'll make a group of 3 inside the cube root sign because the index is 3. So c cubed is 1 and another c cubed. So they come out as c times c cube root of, inside we're left with 3 and a c, plus c squared. So this 3 5s will come out as a single 5. The 3 c cubes will come out as c times c times c, while inside we're left with 3 and a c, cube root of 3c. We'll multiply the terms outside the radical. This is negative 3 c cubed times c squared is c to the power of 5. Here we have now the plus sign, this is, let's cancel this. We have negative 3c to the power of 5 cube root of 3c plus c squared times c times c times c is 5c to the power of 5 cube root of 3c. Now here we have the same term inside the cube root, so we'll combine the terms. This is equals to negative 3c5 plus 5c5 times cube root of 3c. Negative 3c5 plus 5c5 is 2c5 cube root of 3c. This is the final answer. Let's move on to the next question. Negative 2h square square root of 27h6 plus 6h square square root of h cubed. So 27 can be factored as like this, while 8 can be factored as like this. So we have negative 2h squared, 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, while h to the power of 6 can be written as h squared times h squared times h squared plus 6h squared 2 times 2 times 2 times h squared times h. This is negative 2h squared. 2 3's will combine to as a single 3. H square comes out as h. This h square as another h, and this h square as another h. Inside we're left with just square root of 3 plus 6h squared. 2 2's as a single 2, and this h square as an h, and inside we have square root of 2h. So negative 2 times 3 is a negative 6. H squared times h times h times h is h to the power of 5 square root of 3 plus 6 times 2 is 12 h cubed square root of 2h. Now inside we do not have the same expression, so this cannot be simplified further, and this is our final answer. I hope simplifying square and cube root expressions is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.